All right. So we got done with the first. We blew the second one. And I hope you don't flee because this is video number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you. And this is a brand new episode of The Unsung Diaries. And I am your host, Prithviraj. And without any delay, we will go right ahead and explore. Well, we'll just explore what is explored before, but as I always say, what is unsung. And today, we're gonna sing that song, baby. Are you ready? You better be. Well, folks, I'm dumbfounded right now. Yes, it's very hard for me to summarize as to what I'm going through right now because I am in Bangalore. I have ridden all the way from Electronic City and I found this place which is called as Obi Chundanahalli Lake. And this happened accidentally, and like they say, some accidents are really good. They they give you some of the best things. And this, sure as heavens, this is one of the best views that I have found in the city of Bangalore because I've been here since 10 years and I haven't found something as beautiful and as breathtaking as this right now because I really want you to look at the place right now. The view right from that horizon, right from there, as the camera is panning, you can see the lush green, the greenery right across, and there's a small pond as well, and then you can see right through the horizon. And right here, baby, is the lake. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. And the absolute beautiful part about this entire horizon is on one end you can see lush green mountains. There's a hill located there, and if you just pan across, and if you just gaze across, you come here to the city. There is the Kanakpura road. It's the main road, and that is where you can find all the traffic which we are always accustomed to, and we have but no option but to be a part of that. But having waltzed across all those streets and the narrow roads and those undone roads, and to come here and to be a part of something as serene and as beautiful as this, I have to tell you, I feel blessed. So as you can see, there's a charted out route here. I'm gonna walk on this. I'm gonna see as to what this beautiful place has to offer. Follow me. And I'm gonna reach a spot there. I think it's a small bridge, if you can see that. Yeah, it's a small bridge. I'm gonna walk over. I'm gonna stand there, and let's see how that is. It is actually a tank here. There's actually a tank wherein I feel they're gonna utilize this water for the resorts there. That's what's happening here, I believe. But folks, I have to tell you, this is nearly as damn good as what I thought this place would be from here. As you can see, the stretch there, the horizon, it's amazing. Really a place where you can get your friends, you can get your family, you can have a nice, peaceful stay, perhaps a couple of hours, and then you can even visit those resorts if you wish to. But you sure as hell will have a great time coming here because it offers a view which I don't think any other place would do in the realm of Bangalore city. There might be, but like I said, there are a lot of many places which are unsung, and this is what we do here. We go to these places and we just sing those songs, baby. Right now I'm having the time of my life. Now the one disadvantageous part of being here is the route to get here. Yes, that is one thing that I would have to mention because there was a steep road and the road was pretty bad and we had to park our vehicles there. I got my good old little Vespa with me and I had to park it right there, right outside because it was a steep road. The road was really bad and you might face the same issue. But like they say, to get to the rose garden, you have to cross the bed of thorns. So, yeah, considering how beautiful this place is, I would say I wouldn't mind parking my vehicle down there and walking up until this point, because it's damn beautiful. It is beautiful, trust me. All right, I think we have pretty much covered the entire route, the charted out route that we started on, and I'm here right now to enjoy what I believe is perhaps the most beautiful view right now. Yes, I am talking about the sunset. Yes, the sunset views are always great, but here it's special because it was Bangalore. I never expected to enjoy a sunset here, but I am nonetheless. So I'm gonna enjoy my view right from this point, and you can too. It's your view too. And with this, we come to the end of this video, but there are a lot many places which are unsung, and we are gonna make sure on this channel, The Unsung Diaries, that we sing all of them together. And you know where you have to stay, you know what to do. You have to keep yourself hooked to this channel. You have to be with us so that the next time we go, we have a lot more fun than we had right here, right now. So stay tuned, and we will be back with more and more and more of such amusing content. Stay tuned.